Hi, so I just want to take a little tour here of what's required to run Google Expeditions and the equipment you'll need in order to make it happen. So the first thing I've got here is just a regular phone. This is a Nexus 6P, but you could use any phone or tablet. This is running the Expeditions beta. You can see if I scroll through there, there's a whole bunch of expeditions that are in here. Underwater American Samoa, you've got Gettysburg National Park, historic buildings in the UK, like the TP, like there's just tons of stuff in here. There's a couple of hundred different expeditions and places you can visit in the world. Over here, you've got a whole bunch of target devices. So these are the ones that students would use, and you can see these are currently in waiting mode. So both of these devices and that device are all running the Expeditions app, but the app now comes with two components to it. There's the guide, which is what the teacher does, and there's the expedition, which is what the student does. Okay. Over here, I've just got a little Wi-Fi router. It's just a little inexpensive $35 router, and it's pushing out a Wi-Fi signal, and all of these devices are connected to that router. Okay. And of course, the other part you'd need, ideally, is some cardboard. So the way it works, you can see that if I take the teacher device here, and I pick an expedition, so this one on El Capitan, when I open that and click the play button, all the devices now go into play mode. Now as a teacher, I can direct students to look at something particular. So if I press and hold on that screen, you'll see all these devices now get arrows on them. If I pick one of these up and show you, you can see that as I move that around, that's what the students will actually see. Now when I want to take the students to the next scene on the teacher device here, I'll just move across to the next scene and hit play, and all the devices now change to the next scene. And you can see that now we are exploring, in this case, the rock wall of El Capitan. Okay. And then of course you just put those in the cardboard device and you get to view it in stereoscopic. Actually, it's probably not stereoscopic, it's just binocular. Okay, so it's a little explanation about what you need to make cardboard work. A teacher device, some student devices, a router, and of course some cardboard.